Give
him a helmet cam.
Here, it's recording already.
Okay, and guess what? It's going to be sideways. And I didn't touch it. I didn't flip it or nothing.
Got it going? Okay, what
Yeah, supposedly.
Just pointing at everything.
Okay, what we think? That was our day of wheeling.
Had a great time.
Stay tuned. We're going to have another one. Jamboree, four-wheel jamboree. We'll have more trucks, more guys here next time for sure. And that's about it for today. From the South Jersey Wheelers. Number 1. Thanks for saying.
Great time.
Later.
Yep.
All right, awesome.
Big Bronco.
Hey, go down there a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta come forward.
Boom. Sinkhole.
I only charged this one for like 20 minutes this morning. Usually the charge is
Here, let's go change batteries. Here, let's go change your batteries.
Put your camera in your pocket, I guess, and pick it up by the wheel.
Okay.